Hello, and thank you for joining me for this quick overview of finding scholarly articles using the Jerry Falwell Library website. There are several ways to find scholarly journal articles, but today we are going to focus upon using the EBSCO Quick Search. So to begin, we will start on the library homepage, www.liberty.edu/library. From here, look at the top of the page and click on Collections. Then, choose the link for databases. From here, you can scroll down and see the EBSCO Quick Search function in the middle of the page. Click on this feature. EBSCO is a company that owns a number of databases, so using this EBSCO Quick Search feature will allow you to search multiple databases that they own all at once. This way, you don't have to go into these individual databases to search. This is a good strategy to use for a number of different topics. In fact, if you have a pretty complex and complicated research topic and you want to be a little more specific in how you search, most of the time, this is a great way to do it. I'm going to highlight a few different features. You will notice that 3 search bars will appear in the top left-hand corner. Sometimes you can get away with just using the one search bar at the top, but let's say that you want to do a search on the effects of divorce on children. We will use a couple of tips and tricks to show you how to do this. You can use the first search bar to type in divorce. Again, sometimes you can get away with using just this one search bar, but for our purposes, let me show you a couple of other things you can do. So you typed in divorce, but we want to be more specific than that. We want to look for divorce and effects. Also, we might say effects or, and when we use or, we make that capitalized, consequences. Both of those terms carry the same idea. Now we put that in the second search bar. In the third search bar, we want to look for children. But maybe the articles use the word child instead of children. One trick to do that is to type in the word child and put an asterisk after the letter D. This will look for any ending after that. So it will look for child or children. If you had a specific phrase that you wanted to search for rather than individual words, you would want to make sure to put that phrase in quotation marks. For now, let's click on Search. So here we have our list of results. A couple of things to mention are that you sometimes may or may not want to check this box for full text. This will ensure that we have immediate access to these articles in this database. If you weren't to check that, you might still have access to the articles, but this makes sure that you are only seeing articles that are immediately available. For the sake of finding peer-reviewed journals, you will want to check this box. This will take out anything that is not considered scholarly or peer-reviewed, and that limits things down a little bit more. You will notice that you are also able to change the publication dates if your professor were to ask for a specific year range of articles. Once you are ready to view an article, you can simply click on PDF Full Text at the bottom of the entry, or you can click on the title to find the information on the particular article. Thank you for watching this tutorial on finding articles using the EBSCO Quick Search. And remember that the Jerry Falwell Library has what you need to succeed.